Unraveling the World of Programming Languages. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that bridges the gap between computers and human understanding. We're talking about programming languages. These are not just tools but the very foundation of creating software, websites, and apps that you use every day. Let's explore together what they are, how they work, and why they're so important in the digital world. A programming language is a set of instructions that humans use to communicate with computers. It's a specialized language designed to be understood by computers and humans alike, allowing us to tell computers what to do. Imagine being able to write a letter that a robot can read and act upon. That's essentially what a programming language lets you do. There are many different programming languages, each with its own syntax, grammar and rules, and purposes. Examples include Python, Java, and C++. At its core, a programming language works as a translator between human ideas and computer execution. When you write code, you're creating a set of instructions. These instructions are then translated by a compiler or an interpreter into machine language, which is a form of code that computers can understand and act upon. This process allows us to create software, solve problems, and even control robots. The beauty of programming languages lies in their ability to turn complex ideas into something a machine can process. Programming languages are the backbone of all modern technology. They allow us to create and innovate, building everything from simple websites to complex artificial intelligence systems. Learning a programming language can open up numerous opportunities, not just in technology careers, but in understanding how the digital world operates. It's a skill that fosters problem-solving, logical thinking, and creativity. Moreover, it's a universal language that brings people from all over the world together to build and share innovative solutions. Thank you for joining me today to explore the fascinating world of programming languages. Whether you're just curious or considering diving into the world of coding, understanding programming languages is a great first step. They're more than just tools. They're a way to bring your ideas to life and make a real impact in the world. We hope this video has illuminated the importance and basics of programming languages for you. Keep learning, stay curious, and see where programming can take you. Until next time, happy learning!